Good morning everyone. This is Rajni Bala, your mathematics teacher, is going to start with today's topic, that is chapter number 7, coordinate geometry. From this chapter today we will do some mixed problems. Earlier we have done three main topics from the same chapter. They were, first one was distance formula, second one was section formula, and third one was area of the triangle. Today we will do some mixed problems related to all three concepts. So let us take our first problem, that is determine the ratio in which line 2x plus y minus 4 equals to 0 divides the line segment joining the points A 2 minus 2, B 3 7. To solve this problem we have to draw the diagram. So I have drawn the diagram over here. I have drawn the line segment AB in which coordinates of point A are 2 and minus 2. Coordinates of point B are 3 and 7. To them I have marked as x1, y1. Coordinates of A are x1, y1 and B are x2, y2. I have taken the P point which is dividing line segment AB in particular ratio, that is k ratio 1. So coordinates of point P I have considered as x and y. So let us find the values of x and y now by using section formula. We all know, according to section formula, x is equal to m into x2 plus n into x1 over m plus n, and y is equal to m into y2 plus n into y1 over m plus n. To simplify this, we will get m is k and x2 is 3, n is 1, x1 is 2 over m plus n means k plus 1. This is value of x. Now let us simplify, it becomes x equals to 3k plus 2 over k plus 1. Similarly, y is equal to, on place of m, that is k, x2 is y2 is 7 plus n, that is 1, and y1 is minus 2 over m plus n, that is again k plus 1. So simplifying this, we will get value of y, that will be 7k minus 2 over k plus 1. Now these particular values of x and y we have to fill in the given line, that is the given line is 2x plus y minus 4 equals to 0. To get the value of k, we have to put the values of x and y in this line. On the place of x, I have to put 3k plus 2 over k plus 1 plus, on place of y, 7k minus 2 over k plus 1 minus 4 equals to 0. Let us simplify. You can see here k plus 1 can be taken as LCM for the full equation. Now let us open the brackets and simplify. Here is 6k plus 4 plus 7k minus 2 minus 4k minus 4 by taking LCM. So k plus 1 will go on other side, multiplied with 0, it will become 0. So simplifying this, I get 6k plus 7k minus 4k is 9k. 4 plus and minus is cancelled, only minus 2 is left over, equals to 0. So value of k will be 2 over 9. It means k ratio 1 means k over 1 will be 2 over 9. So the particular ratio is k ratio 1, that will be equal to 2 ratio 9. So from this we have got the particular ratio which we want to calculate from the particular question. Let us take our second example now. The second example is, find a relation between x and y if the points xy, 1, 2 and 7, 0 are collinear. We know that if 3 points are given collinear, it means they cannot form a triangle. It means if we want to find whether the points are collinear or not, we can use here the formula of area of triangle. If points are collinear, they cannot form a triangle. It means area of triangle will be 0. So condition reduces to, if 3 given points are collinear, it means x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2 will become equals to 0. Now let us put the values of x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3 in the given formula. So x1 is the coordinates of first point, that is x. y2 is coordinates of second point, that is 2. y3 is 0 plus x2, this is x2 1. y3 is again 0, y1 that is y only, plus x3 that is x coordinate of third point means 7. y1 y coordinate of first point, that is y only. y2 that is y coordinate of second point, that is 2 equals to 0. Now let us simplify it. It becomes 2x minus y plus 7y minus 14 equals to 0. Simplifying this, I get 2x plus 6y minus 14 equals to 0. From this equation I can take 2 as common, so it becomes x plus 3y minus 7 equals to 0. 2 can be taken on the another side. 0 will be divided by 2, the answer becomes 0. So equation reduces to x plus 3y equals to 7. So this is my particular relation if the three given points are collinear. Let us take our third example, that is find center of a circle passing through three given points. They are 6 minus 6, 3 minus 7 and 3 and 3. To solve this question, we need to understand it from the diagram which I have drawn. I have drawn a circle with the center O whose coordinates are x and y. I have drawn 3 points from which the given circle is passing. Now, to find the question, we need to apply the concept of distance formula. We know that all the points lying on the boundary of circle, distance of all those points from the center remains equal, and that distance is known as radius. The same we will apply in our question. According to the given diagram and question, we know that distance of OA will be equal to distance of OB will be equal to distance of OC. Now let us find the all distances from the point O to point A, from point O to point B, and from point O to point C. Let us find firstly distance of OA, that is formula is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square root. So here x2 is, I have taken 2 points. The first one is A, that is 6 minus 6, and the point O, second is xy. x2 is x coordinate of the second point, that is x only. x1 is x coordinates of the first point. It becomes similarly y2 is the y coordinate of second point and y1 is the y coordinate of the first. So let us fill the values over here. I get this one. Simplifying this, x square plus 36 minus 12x plus y square plus 36 plus 12y. Now let us find the distance of OB by similar formula. It becomes x minus 3 whole square plus y plus 7 whole square. Simplifying this, I get x square plus 9 minus 6x plus y square plus 49 plus 14y. Now let us find the distance of OC, that is x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square. Simplifying this, I get x square plus 9 minus 6x plus y square plus 9 minus 6y. Now let us equate equation number 1, 2 and 3 by taking two equations togetherly. Firstly, I will take OA will be equal to OB. Let us write. Taking OA, distance of OA equals to OB, I get. I have written here distance of OA full and here distance of OB full and doing square also. If I do square, square root will be cancelled from both sides. Now let us cancel the similar terms from both sides so that it will be easier to calculate. Now let us take all the entries on one side to make it simplify. I am writing all the entries on one side. I will take the entries written on right side to the left side, so then their all signs will be changed. The number which is with plus sign will change to minus and minus sign will change to the plus. So now let us find out. Firstly, I will equate terms with x. Minus 12x plus 6x remains minus 6x. Now let us equate the terms with y. 12y minus 14y is minus 2y. Let us equate constants now. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 terms. Firstly, I will add plus terms. 36 plus 36, that becomes 72. Then these two minus minus again, that will be plus. It is 58. So it is minus 6x minus 2y. 72 minus 58 is 14. You can take 2 common from full. It becomes here 3x plus y minus 7 equals to 0. So equation becomes, I have marked this as equation number 4. Similarly, I have simplified both by taking distance OB equal to distance OC. I get, by simplifying, 20y plus 40 equals to 0. From this I can get the value of y directly. That becomes y equals to minus 2. Let us put this value of y in equation number 4. Put in equation number 4. It becomes 3x plus minus 2 equals to 7. It becomes 3x equals to 7 plus 2 equals to 9. 3x equals to 9. Here x becomes equals to 9 divided by 3 is 3. These were the questions from workout 7.4. That was the optional workout, means there all the mixed questions related to all 3 concepts are given. 3 questions I have simplified for you. Rest you can simplify. Any queries we may discuss in our Zoom session. Thank you and have a nice day.